Hello, everyone. I have Vinesh in front of me who cleared PMP recently. First thing, congratulations, Vinesh, for this wonderful achievement.
Thanks, Sriram. It's
Great.
all your great support finally came to a conclusion.
Happy to know that we are able to contribute. I can see a happy panda behind you. Is it something you draw after the exam? You felt happy?
No, I kept it hiding because I put the camera on the other side because I don't want them to distracted by this panda picture.
I like that actually. I like that. I like this movie, Panda movie.
Kung Fu Panda, yeah.
Really nice one. Okay, good. So, give a little heads up about yourself. Before that, I'll bring up your certificate. Here it is. And Vinesh cleared PMP on 26th August with the colorful scores. I'm so excited, right? Senior project manager. Let's listen more from him, what he does and what is his role. So please go ahead and give some heads up about your domain and what you do.
Okay. So first of all, thanks, Sriram, for inviting me for this success story event. I was chasing all these videos. I think last 2 months, I was preparing myself for this success story explanations or topics.
It looked like on parallel with the exam, we prepare for success stories also.
Yes. Okay, so a few things about me. Myself, Vinesh. Basically, I'm from Kerala, working in Delhi, working with an organization called SMS Group. Is a German-based mechanical steel consultants. We are into uh, steel plant buildings and technology providers. So it's basically a mechanical field, and we can say it is one of the EPC and one of the major partners in the metals. So I was working in the project team. Recently, I shifted to supply chain management now, and I'm leading a team for manufacturing of the projects. So I was working as a project manager.
Oh, okay.
So now I moved to as a team leader. So sorry.
It will be a crucial and more time-bound way of working, isn't it? Very tight-packed, being in the mission. I'm trying to understand that when you say your domain, who will be the end user of yours?
We have the customers internally. It's the project team. Project manager is my customer now. If I talk on the company point of perspective, Tata Steel, Jindal Steels,
Now
they
got
are
it.
our SAIL. All these are our customers. So
Now I got it. Now I got it. Okay, that's great. So definitely your company will have a system in place, process in place to do all these jobs. I'm sure you are very systematic for a while. How come this thought of learning PMP initiated, even though there is a system in place in the company?
yeah, actually, you're right. We have an internal project management system, a proper book like PMBOK. We have a proper guideline for all the activities.
Right.
And we have an internal certification also. We are aligned with one of the German university. So they give us the training on this with some of our colleagues from the PMO. And there is an examination, not exactly same way as PMP, but it's a more of a theoretical written examination. So we have to clear it.
Wow.
So I have cleared it, I think, two years back. Then in the same venue, it was discussed that it is our program also is more aligned with PMP. So most of the topics are same. There is only little bit customization, we say tailoring to suit to our line of business or to our culture, company culture. So it was advised, yeah, we can try for PMP that time. So, and our company provided an orientation class with one of the firms. I don't want to name it, but there was a session. We tried it, like it was a 4-day session. They covered all PMBOK in 4 days. So it was like 4 days, boom, lot of content for 4 days. So yeah, was okay, but at least we get an overview what it will be look like here, how much effort we need to put in. So it was a good beginning for us. Then slowly, I think our team also started more lean towards a PMP. Our organization also suggested that it is better maybe in future more of the organization like SAIL started asking the project managers to have PMP certified. In some of the project, they are insisting that our project managers whom our company is providing should be PMP certified.
Got you.
Slowly, we are getting into a mandatory certification in our field also. So it's not strict in the company, but it's preferred to have it.
I understand. Okay. So there is a ask from the organization also now. Okay.
Yeah, it will slowly come as a mandatory certification. Yeah.
I understand.
And
Okay.
I'm with this organization last 15 years. I think this is my 16th year in the organization.
Wow.
The
Loyal,
same.
loyal, sincere manager than the company. Very good. Very good. Nice.
It's a rather better challenging atmosphere in the company. Like if we prefer, we have an option to switch the programs. Like this
Nice.
is my fourth department, so I get orientation into different departments also. It's
I
good for the
understand.
growth. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
come out of the comfort zone without changing your job. So that's
That's
the
right.
good part, right?
That's needed. That's needed. Very good. Happy to know that your company has a process system and that also makes you to think of PMP. Right, good. Happy to know. So now having all this experience and thought process about management, how was it in the learning and preparation process last, maybe you prepared for a 5 weeks, 6 weeks time?
Yeah, it's almost, I think, yeah, 7 weeks and couple of days more. So 50
Very
days, 52 days almost.
Very decent time. 7 weeks. I usually tell people we can do between 5 to 8 weeks. That's a decent time. So you made it happen within 7 weeks. So what kind of thought process or preparation model you followed?
I followed our study plan, what Sri Learning suggested me. There was no deviation. Maybe I rearranged the chapters. It was not exactly the same pattern. I didn't follow. I prefer to read Rita first. So I completed it one time. This was the book I chose. I completed it. And after every chapter, I took the exam in the Rita, the questions. Same time, I took Sri Learning chapter-wise quizzes also.
Very good. Very good.
So I prepared a table. I think I shared it with you also. I used to check where is my understanding and where I stand. So if I
Right.
feel I'm little bit on the lower side, I take more questions from the quiz from our Sri Learning leadership board. So it helped me a lot to understand where I'm actually standing.
Right.
And once I gone through all this, when I have a little bit of scores on the hand, then I started working on my weak areas. Like in the initial, the framework was little bit on the weaker side, so I could focus more on that area.
Right. Right.
This was the strategy on the book. And once I completed this, I read through PMBOK once. It's not in a deep reading, but to run
Right.
through this to get familiar with their wordings and their explanations of the content.
Perfect. 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 So I want to mention this. I have seen your Excel sheet which you shared me, the scorecard. Okay.
Yeah.
Once I saw that, I felt this person is so systematic, easily clear the exam. It was very systematic. You have the list of topics, Rita, Sri Learning, your scores. The moment I saw that, it was so clear chart, right? For benefit of all, I'm going to bring that now. Hope it's good for you.
It's a good reflection on ourselves, actually.
Sorry?
It's a good reflection on ourselves where we stand to get to know. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's very important. See, the point is we can prepare, but you shouldn't prepare haphazard way, right? You should have some systematic approach. Many time I tell that people the mass does not matter, technique matter.
Yes.
I keep telling that some take it seriously, some don't take it seriously, but only when you get close to exam like this, you'll start realizing definitely technique matters. So here is yours. Is it yours?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And I know there are some numbers you have to fill later, you would have filled it later.
Yes.
But the moment I saw this, I found, man, this person is very systematic. Okay. That's the reason I first asked. You work in a company, definitely there is a system in place, you're following it. Then how come you came for PMP? Okay. So now I'll go back to the point. Even though a company has a system, now we need to know that the international language, we have to standardize into the international branding system. That's what you would have preferred PMP. Now you bring the international knowledge to your corporate. Maybe another 10 years, you may change your company upside down, growing higher, right? That's how it works. If you take Sundar Pichai, the CEO would join in 2003 or 2 in Google. It's almost 17, 18 years is in the company. Okay, he joined as a junior resource and started growing higher. He brought in a lot of changes. right? This is all about once you understand the process and system in a company, when you learn something from outside, you try to streamline the process in the company, right? That's why they call us a loyal employees, right? But unfortunately, in the current industry, people don't stay in the same company for long. They keep jumping. Of course, opportunity is not there, but what you did is every few years keep switching the verticals to make sure you keep learning.
Yeah,
That's
I got opportunity like
quite
I
interesting.
preferred also the company also supported me to have this
Supported.
opportunity. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. I think this PMP also will help you more, right? Going forward, you can look into another opportunity in the company.
Yeah, of course, yes. If it
Yeah.
comes, for sure, yes.
Yeah, it's on your way. Super. So I understood that your reading habits, understood about test taking habits. But did you found that sometimes your scores are going down? You have to work out to improve it. Did you felt any place like that? If so, how do you improve it?
What I did, even it is Rita or our chapter-wise quiz, I used to analyze the questions. Uh, I don't wait for the weekly mocks. Mocks. I analyze the question whenever I finish a chapter test. I try to find out what made me mistake. It's not about the concept sometimes, because concepts mostly after you go through the system in a nutshell you're okay with the concept. Then you have to deeply work on some area. So where I focused is what made me wrong to take that answer. That
Right.
was the key point I was trying to find it out.
Right. See, many people, Vinesh, the problem is decoding the question, right? They read the question, as you rightly said, concepts are clear, but when they want to decode the question, they can't get it. They read it, they couldn't get it. I found you scoring close to 70% in a study hall.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
There are
nice.
very few people cross that landmark. I know some people have scored 78%. Yeah, that's the highest. Naga Smita, she got to 78 or highest one. Some people are even 80s there. But very rarely people cross 65. Now I saw you 70%. Um, so definitely you should have a way of reading the question.
Yeah.
So what is your tips for reading the question, not the day when you prepared? Now, when you come close to the exam, you should have found some knack of reading the question. So what is that?
No, what I used is some keywords and split the questions. Don't go because it's a long sentence in the question. Don't try to read everything in one go. You split the questions, try to consider, because sometimes what I felt during the study hall or other areas, like it was telling you that you are in a planning phase or the initiation phase, but the question somewhere they're putting a keyword like planning or some other tips to divert you. So be cautious about these two terms, what is inside, because I made a lot of mistakes that the question was intending that I'm on initiating, but I
Uh,
answered thinking that I'm in a planning phase. So
okay.
when I started breaking the questions and repeatedly going through it one more time, then it helped me that to really understand where you are standing, on in which phase you are standing of the project.
Perfectly.
So accordingly, I
Perfect.
can answer it.
That makes sense. Makes sense, right? What I'm hearing is break the question, understand the problem statement properly,
Yes,
right? Don't get distracted. What they may add some unwanted words and sentence there, purposefully to drive you somewhere other place, right?
exactly.
That's good. Then, so many will ask me, Shriram, why the PMP exam is like this? Why can't they ask straight away a question? Why they want to play like this? Uh, I will sometimes tell them that it's not playing with you. Real management life is like that. If a conference room meeting is happening, one person will give the straight point, one person will give a deviation point. Now, as a leadership or a manager person, how do you don't get distracted and focus on the key problem statement is important. PMI is trying to see that is your brain focusing on the problem or getting deviated, right? I think that is a good thing. That's why when someone get certified, I tell that welcome to top 2%, because you start seeing the thing in the straight line rather going by deviation, right? That's a point. Superb, good. How was your exam? Online,
I
center?
I took it online, Proctor Best, same place, same room. Only the camera was little bit tilted because I don't want to catch this panda picture in the frame. Yeah. It
Okay.
was yeah. I took the exam at a 7:30 slot. I booked for
Okay.
26, so it
Okay.
was okay. I didn't want to make it too early because then it will be a hectic to sit for 4 hours. So I thought
Right.
7:30 would be a right time.
Right.
Initially, I was planning to take the exam on 8th. I think I shared the target with you that it was my target was 8th of September. It was
Right.
a wedding anniversary day, so I don't want to make it a.
Oh,
If I lose, I don't want to make it a disastrous thing to happen on that day. But fine. So going through the test gave me confidence. Then I contacted you a couple of times. Even you were saying, "Come on, man! After the three more, come on, go and book the slot." I was still not confident. I took one more study hall. Then
okay.
again, you told why you're not booking your slot, and I told okay. Then I booked it online, so it was there 7:30, and exactly on time it was started. Not much problem, but it was stopped in between one time. Maybe the video was not streaming well. But it started within, I think, 1 minute. It started again. They asked me to restart the system, so it went well. All was perfect.
That's right. That's right. Good. So how do you do the time management? Are you able to manage within that time given for your exam?
Yes, before the exam, my target was, as you mentioned, always 90, 70, 70. This was my target for first 60 questions. But I could finish the first 60 in 80 minutes
Uh-huh.
and second also in 80 minutes.
Uh-huh.
So the last 60
Okay.
seconds, I completed it in 58 minutes. So I had left, I think around, yeah, I finished 12 minutes earlier in
Okay. You gave
total.
some time to the PMI. Very good.
Yeah, it was 12 minutes earlier in the schedule.
That's nice.
So it
That's
was
nice.
okay.
Superb. Nice to know. Nice to know. Happy to know that you're able to make it on time. So are you sure when you click the last button, you are PMP certified?
I was confident that I will clear the exam. I was not confident about getting three 80s. This was really a surprise for me because I felt looking at the questions and the way I could answer, I was not tensed. I was well composed in the exam. So it was okay. I was confident that I will get it at least. Not sure where I will stand, but I was confident to get it.
Sure, sure. You are pretty. Yes, I'm there. My certificate is ready. Okay. That's a good feel. That's a good feel.
As you
Good.
told, it was printed earlier.
Yeah, yeah. Some people, some of them, when they prepare, the way they prepare, I keep watching closely, right? So at the same time, I'll be working with a bunch of number of people who are preparing for exam. Some of them I have to push, go ahead. Some of them, I know this person will do it. Just you have to touch them, right? Some of them I have to use a finger. Some of them I have to give a push. Okay. So some people will come to know within few weeks, this person's certificate is ready. Just go and clear it. But only problem is they won't get the confidence. So you have to tell them that you are ready, but they'll be doubtful. Am I really ready? This guy is just telling that.
Me too in same way. I think since you mentioned Nagasmita, I had a chat with her after she cleared the exam. I was just asking her how was her exam because she also took online. So she gave me some tips like go through well, everything will be all right. So don't make too much, push too much, because I told her I'm also feeling nervous now because it's very close now. I cannot change it. So, yeah, it was good to have a small chat with her also. It
Yeah,
helped.
yeah. That's a good thing. We formed this community where people have to help each other. It is not something only I am winning today. It's about how others can win. This is a one thing we're trying to cultivate in the class, that leadership is not only you have everything in your pocket. It make people happy around you. You automatically be happy. Unfortunately, some people are scared that what if other guy wins the game, right? Anyway, that's a good thing. You have to appreciate people helping you. Tomorrow you're going to help someone, right?
Yeah,
So
of
for
course, yes.
example, this YouTube video, it's going to help another 100 people. And someone will ping you, Vinesh, can you give me some more details? You're going to give the details, right?
Sure.
That's all about. Fantastic, great. So how much you want to give credit to your family?
Family well supported because I was since July I was staying away from family because normally I stay away from family. I live in Delhi.
Achha,
Family is in Kerala. So I
achha,
used
okay.
to travel every 2 weeks to back home. So since I started our training, I didn't come back to home. Only just 1 week before I came back. So they
Right,
had to stay away from me for some time.
Right.
And after reaching here, they made sure that they are not disturbing me by anyhow. So they spare this room for me. You do whatever you want. We will talk after your exam.
That's good. In a way, it's good. Nice to know. Nice. I know
Children
that.
also supported very well
Nice.
to
Nice.
help me out.
They were
That was
surprised,
very
right? What dad is doing all the time with the books.
Yeah. I told my children they were seeing me stressed when I was close to exam. So they started asking me, "You have a job. Why you are taking this exam again? Why you have to do this again? Why you have to stress it again?" I told, "Yeah, it's you have to
Needed.
learn something new every time, so it's better."
They would have thought dad doesn't read properly in college days. That's why he's reading now.
Yeah. So I told them just I want to show you that if I win this exam, you are gone, man. I will catch you for the next exam. You don't have any excuse for that.
That's nice. Good to know. Good to know, Vinesh. Super. Once again, thanks a lot, Vinesh, for coming up here
Yeah,
and
thank
giving
you.
some valuable positive inputs. The takeaway would be is read a good book to read. You went through PMBOK and you followed a chapter test. You are very systematic. That's the one thing. An interesting thing you talk about the questions. Split the questions. Don't read at one gulp. It'll be tough. Split it up, understand the problem statement, and go with answers. Right? That's the one thing. Time management was good for your exams. And another important thing, you may brought a lot of process in your company already, which you follow. That also would have helped you for your exams.
For sure.
Right? That's a good thing. Superb. Great.
I
Any?
want to share a couple of things
Yes.
just for our fellow colleagues.
Yes.
Free learning mock tests were really helpful. I could
Oh,
relate most of the questions, situational based questions, with the real exam. It's not exactly one-to-one word, same matching, but the concept wise, it really helped me because once you read the question, the situation based, it almost the PMP questions were some of the questions were really in line with the situations what we were discussing in the Free learning mock test. So
oh,
I would suggest rather than pushing more on the calculation questions, work more on the concept questions and analyze it properly, why we are making it right or why we are making it wrong.
makes sense.
And one more thing I would like to suggest is go through the success stories. I was having a habit before starting your classes, habit of watching Netflix or Prime Video too much time. Once after your first class, uh, after that GAN sessions, I think I stopped it completely. When I get stressed out, I used to watch the videos when I get stressed out. So
Okay.
what I started, instead of watching Netflix, I pick up one success story,
Uh-huh.
listen it for some time. You'll get some tip, maybe a small tip, right? But
Right.
it's beneficial. You can see how the other person is preparing, or maybe you
Makes
can get yourself understand that he was less prepared than you, but he could clear it. Give you more confidence, or
right.
you'll get a tip how to prepare for it. So go
Got
through
it.
it. It will somehow it will be beneficial for
Got you. Got you.
them. Yeah.
So the Gyan session spoiled you.
No, not spoiling. Actually, I should try like to in the next classes. I was about to ask you at least can I join on weekends only for half an hour to listen this GAN sessions in the new PMP batch.
Welcome. Welcome. You're
Yeah,
welcome. If you're
and
not bored with that content, you are welcome anytime. You can sit and listen.
yeah, and one last point from my side, like when we are watching this Sri learning your videos again, the class videos again, try to keep some screenshots which you feel really worth. It really helped me in the last runs to go through the important topics. What
Right.
I did it, I kept some of the screenshots of your video, the presentations, like the theories, the theory X, theory Y, just to
Acha.
go through it in the last moment instead of going through the book all the time. It really helped me to how it I can go through it again and revise it once.
Makes sense. Makes sense. No, that's a valuable point. Yeah, that's a good point. Good point. Fantastic, Vinesh. I think your approach is very systematic and approachable. That's what I'm getting. Super good. And viewers, I'm sure you're excited. You're also watching this video, like what Vinesh is. It gives energy. I sometimes call it as a dopamine, right? It adds that point to you. I like that he came out of Netflix I know Netflix is losing some money, but it's okay. It's okay. Towards at least examination, we'll avoid this distraction, like Vinesh rightly said. Right? Good. So good wishes to all the viewers here. Above all, let's give likes and comments and wishes to Vinesh, because achieving PMP is a landmark, it's a milestone. Even though we are in a big corporate, good level, when you do this, it motivates you more to do more, right? That's very important. So let's congratulate him again. Good wishes, Vinesh, for your great success in your life.
Thank you, Sriram. It's all the support what you provided me, all the mentorship. It really worked well. I think I was really able to connect with you well. That is more important. Like the connect was good in the classes. So it really helped me to go through the sessions and clear it. And I'm a better person, I can say.
Good.
In point of in point of reading, or at least the humanity point of view, what you shared in the classes. Really enjoyed it. Yes.
Perfect. I'm so happy to see such people take it very genuine and reasonable way. Sometimes I feel that GAN is going overloaded. Hold on.
No way.
But what I feel many times is we have good people in the market, but less of good leaders. So we have all the opportunity to convert to good leaders to the society. Yeah, that's a
You
point.
tell it to 100 people, some of them will really catch it. Maybe it's not all, but for sure some of them will really catch it. So don't stop it. It's really
Right.
work.
Thanks for that. Thanks for encouraging. We'll keep doing more. So keep rocking. All the best. Thanks for coming up here. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, Sriram.